means
Let's catch the end of this.
favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
And listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Well, guys, I'm under the tornado watch.
What?
Yeah, I just turned on one of my radios. It was relaying the tornado watch.
You're under it? Yeah, you are.
Apparently. Why? Well,
Enhanced risk and slight risk for Northwest Illinois.
that just got interesting. Really
Very
fast.
interesting.
Hearing it? The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Northern Keokuk County, northwestern Washington County, southern Iowa County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Barn City, or near Montezuma, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitsier, Keswick, Thornburg, Gibson, Coal Creek, and Keokuk County Fairgrounds around 4:55 p.m. Millersburg and Webster around 5:05 p.m. North English, South English, and Lake Iowa Park around 5:10 p.m. Parnell and Kenolis around 5:15 p.m. Williamsburg around 5:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Webster, Holbrook, Thornburg, Keokuk County Fairgrounds, Lake Iowa Park, Coal Creek, and Gibson. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 218 and 229. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Is that a tornado tag on it?
Severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern and east central Iowa.
A second one for Keokuk and Washington. Yep. That's going to relay any second. He was explaining it only to get interrupted by EAS. How poetic. The National Weather Service. I need to stop doing that.
Thunderstorm warning for Keokuk County, southwestern Washington County, until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cold Creek to near Industrial Airport, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hedrick, Whitsier, Delta, and Keokuk County Fairgrounds around 5:10 p.m. Sigourney, Martinsburg, Hayesville, and Yanrogas County Park around 5:15 p.m. Lancaster, Lake Belvedere Park, and Keokuk County Expo around 5:20 p.m. Pekin around 5:25 p.m. Harper and Ollie around 5:30 p.m. Richland, Keota, and Talleyrand around 5:40 p.m. Lake Darling State Park and Rubio around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Ali, Yanrogas County Park, Keota, Westchester, Lake Darling State Park, Lancaster, Talleyrand, Keokuk County Fairgrounds, Keokuk County Expo, and Pekin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Iowa.
Got a big severe warning for like 5 counties in a row.
Get stuck in quick mud is wearing over.
Kind of in that area where we've noticed there's a very strong area.
The race to go off. It's won by WMT. Oh, but they're going to talk first.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Louisa County, northeastern Keokuk County, southern Johnson County, northern Washington County, southeastern Iowa County.
Why not take a look? Ba-dum-ba-bum. Yep. Iowa, Johnson, Keokuk, Louisa, Washington.
At 5:44 p.m., wind was estimated to be near 70 miles an hour just west of Millersburg. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. 5:35 p.m. Freitown and Amish around 5:40 p.m. Kelowna and Richmond around 5:45 p.m. Sharon Center around 5:50 p.m. Riverside around 5:55 p.m. Hills, Haskins, River Junction, and Hills Access around 6 p.m.
What did I do that for?
Impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Iowa City. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms.
That's for University of Iowa, I
Iowa
think.
City Municipal Airport, Freitown, Wyndham, Amish, Johnson County Fairgrounds, Palmer, Hills,
Tornado.
River Junction, and Sharon Center. Severe thunderstorms. Maybe spawn a tornado going once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. The tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern and east central Iowa.
What? 4 EOMs! You cannot do more than 3! See? WMT gets it! You cannot do more than 3 EOMs. Anyway. And now, there's the tornado warning. Now, let's see who activates first. Again.
Johnson County, northeastern Washington County, northwestern Muscatine County, southeastern Iowa County, and
Oh, here we go. I'm getting the tornado this time. Oh, and they issued a severe warning literally right after that. Double them up. Tornado, severe. I doubt this is getting relayed, but that's a big one. Too bad, because I don't usually get warnings for Van Buren. Or Henry, I don't think. They're nearly in sync. It's really close.
Iowa City Municipal Airport, Cosgrove, Hills Access, and Johnson County Fairgrounds around 5:55 p.m. Coralville, River Junction, and University of Iowa around 6 p.m.
Oh.
Lone Tree around 6:05.
At least school's not in session.
Cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Cedar, Iowa, Johnson, and Washington.
Shut up before I get a copyright strike. Oh, jeez! 80-mile-an-hour destructive, severe warnings! Oh, goodness gracious! We're gonna get 2 of them again. Here we go. Timed it right.
Southwestern Cedar County, southern Johnson County, northeastern Washington County, western Muscatine County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., moving east at 50 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Johnson County and northeast Washington County. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour.
Suppose we just take a look.
Lone Tree, Riverside, Hills, River Junction, and Hills access around 6 p.m. West Liberty. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Salisbury Bridge Campground, Whitetown, Muscatine County Fairgrounds, Arden, Hills Access, River Junction, Moscow, and Town Center. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 267 and 269. Remain alert for a possible tornado. The tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern and east central Iowa.
Wow. I did not have a destructive severe warning on my bingo card, but here we go. It's probably going right now. Yep. Came in a little bit late, but here it is. Thunderstorms. It just says radar. I just find that funny. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh! It's on the ground. Cedar, Johnson, Muscatine, Washington, it's on the ground. Who knocked down my microphone? Who did it?
Flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Johnson, Keokuk, and Washington.
I shiver. I don't know why. Considerable severe warning for Rock Island, Cedar, Johnson, Louisa, Muscatine, Scott, and Washington. I got a feeling Whiteside might be in the next one.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock Island County, northwestern Louisa County, southern Cedar County, southwestern Scott County, southeastern Johnson County, northern Washington County, Muscatine County, until 7 p.m.
Big severe warning, as I said.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Hillsville, 8 miles north of Columbus Junction, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Arden, Muscatine Municipal Airport, Cranston, and Salisbury Bridge Campground around 6:20 p.m. Fairport, Illinois City, Cleveland Center, and Fairport Recreation Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Loud Thunder Forest Preserve, New Era, Wildcat Den State Park, Midway Beach, Shady Creek Camp.
Again, here's the warning area. The Quad Cities is right about there. So they're probably in the next one. Shout.
Northwestern Illinois and southeastern and east central Iowa.
Hey! So I heard an IAM bot while I was catching the warning. Let's see what it is. They canceled the severe warning for Cedar, Johnson, Muscatine, and Washington. Probably because the storm moved out of the warned area. Or it's weakened. Okay then. DVN tornado. Hold the phone, ladies and gentlemen. This is probably already going. Yep.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for Cedar County. Scott County, southeastern Johnson County, Muscatine County, central Clinton County.
5 counties, everybody. Look. Oh! Sterling is like right over here. If we're next, I might flip.
And Shady Creek Campground around 6:30 p.m. Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Wheeling, Montpelier, Dixon, Plainview, Midway Beach, Big Rock, and Camp Liberty around 6:35 p.m. Davenport, Calamus, Donahue,
that's from the
Lakeville, Westlake Park, and Sherman Park around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Rock Island.
Rock Island? The county's not even in the warning. Did it cut off? This tornado warning is so big that it cut off on NOAA Weather Radio. They did it again. Delaware, Dubuque, Jackson, and Jones. This is something WMT might relay.
Campground around 6:30. It'll make its way toward Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Wheeling, Montpelier, Dixon, Plainview, Midway Beach, Big Rock, and Camp Liberty around 6:35. And Davenport, Calamus, Donahue, Maysville, Westlake Park, and Sherman Park in that.
Yep. Again, Delaware, Dubuque, Jackson, and Jones. I doubt KCQQ's relaying. I mean, I suppose we can check. Nope.
West Central Jackson County, Southwestern Dubuque County, Northern Jones County, Southeastern Delaware County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Monticello, or 8 miles northeast of Anamosa, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado, shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cascade, Camp Courageous, Scotch Grove, Pictured Rocks Wildlife Area, and Temple Hill around 6:30 p.m. Canton around 6:35 p.m. South Gary Owen, Fillmore, and Fillmore Recreation Area around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Bernard, Crab Town, Adeline, Washington Mills, Otter Creek, Iron Hills, Swingle and Fulton. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Delaware, and Jones.
Oh gosh. They've done it again. That will definitely go off. We'll see if they do. I'm not sure.
House a few weeks ago,
WMT is going. Yep, they are.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock Island County, western Mercer County, northern Henry County, Geauga County, southeast.
Suppose you should take a look. And they issued an FFW for Cedar and Johnson. Literally right after that. So, because of all the back-to-back issuances, I'm missing quite a bit, actually. So close to being in sync.
Wyman, Fredonia, and Carroll around 6:35 p.m. Marsh and Virginia Grove Recreation Area around 6:40 p.m. Wapello and Flaming Prairie Park around 6:45 p.m. Morning Sun and Ember around 6:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Eliza, Snidely Access Campground, New Boston, Mannion, Toodlesboro, Petersville, and Elwick Junction. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado going north into the basement or small special room in a building structure, take cover now. Parental recall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flight.
They just issued one for Cedar and Johnson. An FFW, I should say.
Tornado warning in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and southeastern and east central Iowa.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, western Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Cedar County in east central Iowa, Scott County in east central Iowa, northeastern Muscatine County in east central Iowa, southern Cruzen County in east central Iowa until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walton, 8 miles northwestern Davenport, moving at 50 miles per hour. Muscatine County hazard 70 miles per hour. 7:30 p.m. Source 6:49 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Walton, northwestern Davenport, which is likely to be and until this severe thunderstorm will be near Davenport, Long Grove, Rock Island Arsenal, Scott County Park, Parkview, Davenport Municipal Airport, and Mississippi Valley Fairgrounds around 6:50 p.m. LeClaire, Hampton, Princeton, Lucedale.
Chaos happening behind me. With this new severe warning. We're right about there.
Hillsdale, Joplin, Erie, Albany, Corner, Stanton, and Spring Hill. This includes the following highways.
cut off.
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at what?
Yeah, they cut off. Unbelievable. Man, the 2-minute limit really seems to hurt all these warnings. Everything activated, so that's nice. Okay, there's a new flash flood warning. Who knows? We'll see who relays. Oh, it's over here.
A selection around and a friendly staff to help you plan your fun. Crossroads Fireworks. We've got the big stuff. Ice and before Scalpel.
Okay, they're relaying. So I feel like they will. Doesn't sound like it.
Southeastern Johnson County, southeastern CUBS County, northwestern Louisa County, central Washington County, until 1 a.m. Wednesday. At 6:51 p.m.,
Nocturnal flooding for the win.
heavy rain across the Warren area.
Now, we haven't even looked at it. 1.5 to 2.5 inches. Here it is. Flash flood. Here's the map. I love it. It's just hilarious how it always just says radar. It doesn't say source. It just says radar. It's kind of dumb.
Some locations they will experience flash flooding include Washington, Columbus Junction, Hendrick, Ainsworth, Columbus City, Crawfordsville, Martinsburg, Hayesville, Potter, Keota, Fredonia, Holly, Westchester, Washington County Fairgrounds, Washington Airport, Rubio, Talleyrand, Marquardt, Haskins, and Glenwood. Turn around.
Don't drown.
Encountering a flooded
Oh,
road.
it's been a minute since I mimicked.
Flood depths to current vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Johnson, Keokuk, and Washington.
And Louisa. I don't think KCQQ ever relayed. Yeah, no, they never did. Hey, that is not what I said to do.
Knox County, where Galesburg is a totally separate National Weather Service office.
Now it's relaying.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henderson County, northern Warren County, south central Rock Island County, Mercer County, southern Henry County, southeastern Louisa County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Mile to Aledo, Mercer County Airport to Keithsburg, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Aledo, Milan, Coal Valley, Burgess, Viola, Matherville, Sherrard, Oak Grove, Seaton, and Bowdoin around 7:10 p.m. Orion, Warner, Sunny Hill, Sweetona, and Griffin around to 7:15 p.m. New Windsor, Lynn Center, Morristown, and Offheim around to 7:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Alpha, Andover, North Henderson, Alexis, Osco, Cambridge, Geneseo, Woodhull, and Henry County Fairgrounds.
It said it right.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 12 and 33. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 33. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern and west central Illinois and southeastern Iowa.
TBS just came back from commercial. Now, we can turn this back on. 85 at Wrigley Field with 35 humidity. So we'll be watching this, and I get to listen to Brian Anderson call this one. But at the same time, once again, I'm dealing with the severe weather warning. Ah, great. There's an FFW as the Cubs game's going, so I will be contending with that tonight. 2-2 from Wisniewski. Outside.
Northwestern Jackson County, Northern Jones County, Southeastern Delaware County, Dubuque County, Northwestern Joe Davies County, until 1:15 a.m. Wednesday. At 7:11.
3-2. Foul ball.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 2 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
He walks him? Now what do we got? Against Delaware, Dubuque, Jackson, Jones, and Joe Davies.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dubuque, Asbury, Monticello, Cascade, Epworth, East Dubuque, Farley, Piazza,
Brandon Marsh is stepping up.
Menominee, St. Denettes, Centralia, Statesville, Bernard, Swingle, Canton, Liberty, Griff, and Fillmore. This includes the following streams and drainages: Allison Creek, North Fort Catfish Creek, Lime Creek, Middle Fort Catfish Creek, Farmers Creek, Lost Creek.
You're gonna list every single creek.
Huron Branch, Buffalo Creek, Jordan Creek, Whitewater Creek, Grove Creek, Kitty Creek, Real Creek, Silver Creek, Fawn Creek, Mississippi River, Yager Creek, Bear Creek, Deer Creek, Lido Creek, Sand Creek, Catfish Creek, Montgomery Creek, Grenier Creek, Mineral Creek,
Gave him a high strike.
Menominee River, Elmer Creek, Hewitt Creek, Buck Creek, Plum Creek, Klein
You're gonna cut off if you keep listing every single creek.
Menominee River, Cincinnati River, Blackhawk Creek, Spring Branch, Johns Creek, Klein Creek, Durian Creek, Farm Creek,
Oh, pick off throw. Didn't get him. It cut off again. Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This guy didn't activate.
Island County in northwestern Illinois, Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County
Here's the
in
warning.
northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, eastern Clinton County in east central Iowa.
Carroll, Joe Davies, Rock Island, Whiteside, Clinton, Jackson.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bryan. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock Island County, Whiteside County, miles per hour.
Corner, chopper to third, over to first, out.
Eastern Clinton County, wait out 8 p.m.
Hold on.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near thunderstorms were located all the hazards hit about 60 miles an hour. Around 7:25 p.m. Small city areas are open. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Around 7:30 p.m. East Clinton in downtown 7:25 p.m. Franklin Morrison, Morrison Rockville State Park, Union Grove, County Fairgrounds around 7:30 p.m. Mississippi Palisades State Park, following Illinois, 7:30 p.m. in Illinois between mile 1 and 1 and 2. Then Rock, in State Park, in Whiteside County, and Maroons at 7:25 p.m. Tornadoes in Illinois, in Illinois between Monaco and Glendale and 1 into the Lake Interstate 80, markers 10 and 44. For your alert for a possible tornado on the lower tornadoes carried over quickly from severe thunderstorms. If occurring in tornado go at once into the basins or small central flooded roadways.
My dog is currently invading my personal space.
Drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa. flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa.
That was part of the 2019 season. Castellanos put up big numbers.
A bad thing is happening, you know, severe weather, so I got a feeling Castellanos is homering. Nope, he's watching ball 4 outside, so he's not homering when bad things are happening.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and...
That is the narrowest severe watch ever. Anyway.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 500, effective until 11 p.m.
Oh no, it's a fair ball!
This watch includes the
Oh my god, Cody, get the ball in!
Vero, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest
Severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
Yeah, this isn't activating for the rest of the night. So I think we're just going to decommission this. It's having a hard time picking up weather for some reason. So we'll just set this back over here. But anyway, SVA 500, a very narrow, severe watch is in effect. Swing and a miss from David Dahl. Oh, Bellinger! Get out! It's down! But anyway, we got a severe warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
That's a run-scoring double.
County in northwestern Illinois, southern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over in Windsor, or 14 miles east of Toledo, moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Here it is.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, sidings, and trees.
But again with the warning track.
The thunderstorm will be near Woodhall, New Windsor, Alpha, Andover, Lynn Center, Sweetena, and Oakland around 8:05 p.m. Cambridge, Tacoma, and around 8:10 p.m. Galva, Bishop Hill, and Henry County Fairgrounds around 8:15 p.m. German Corner and Kewaunee Municipal Airport around 8:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Kewaunee, Johnson Sock Trail State Park, Neponset, and Sheffield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 37 and 47. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 21 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9
And of
p.m.
course,
for northwestern
this guy
Illinois.
didn't activate. But anyway, Suzuki fouls that back. Cubs are on the board.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tower.
Should have put that on standby, but whatever.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
So explain to me why the rest of my radios are yellow while that one's green. This makes no sense.
Until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm.
Show some consistency, damn it.
Weather service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm phone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.